Yo, what is up, Fat Babbler? Welcome back to the channel. This is KIXPLORE, where we talk everything about sneakers, lifestyle, travel, and a little bit of everything in between. And today we're going to be talking about the Nike ACG 36 backpack. So it's this one right here, as you can see right there, this big beautiful backpack, Nike 36. So 36, if you guys don't know, is basically the hours, I think it says. So 36 hours worth of stuff that you can contain, or so 36 hours of adventure that you can contain in this backpack. But before we continue, I just want to talk about all the kind of stuff that I got as well from the last drop. There's a couple of items there, and yeah, let's just get into it, shall we? And the first thing I want to talk about is the socks. This is the first time I actually bought some socks. Tag right over there, and it actually says here, random by design, each pair is different. These feel very thick, so these definitely kind of keep you very warm. I'm really weary in terms of socks now because of like Nike ACG shoes in general. Basically, sometimes are very hard to kind of get a grasp of. Let's go to the next one, and yeah, it's this hat over here. So I talked about this in my last video as well. My last video was about the Nike ACG clay greens, all the main stuff that you wanted to hear about the Nike ACG mountain fly highs in the clay greens. But if you want a more in-depth review of the actual Nike mountain fly highs, definitely check out my silver and black colored version, the one that I did a while ago. That's the one that had the most views, and basically it's got like a waterproof test and stuff already. So if you haven't seen it, the Nike ACG mountain fly high, please definitely go check it out. But anyways, I was talking about this. This is the hat that I had from the previous video. It looks kind of weird on me, I'm not gonna lie. It's like got that funny look. So this is basically the face mask, kind of tight, kind of cool, keeps you very warm, I gotta admit. I don't know if I like it that much. Yeah, I can breathe. You can see my lips, man, look at that. You can see my lips. It's more there just to keep your face like away from the elements, especially if it's really cold. But if I don't know if you guys just saw it there, I basically just rolled it up and put it into this sleeve right here, which is on the right side of the hat. So it's got this really cool thermal fleece material, very cool. But I really don't like this front brim hat. It's too floppy for me. It's too short. I like to have like a longer kind of brim so they could protect my forehead and my eyes from the sun. This one's a little too short, so I guess it's really made for like the more winter kind of conditions kind of thing. And it's really good. It's really cool because it has this strap on the back, customizable toggle that you can kind of make this part around your head like for the hat tighter. And to me, it's already really snug. If I make it any tighter, it's gonna hurt. So I don't understand what the point of this one is. That's what I'm just trying to say. I'm just trying to give you my my opinion, how it fits on me. And yeah, maybe if it was a little bit bigger, maybe it might look a little bit better. But this only comes in one size, so unfortunately, I don't know if I could really use this. But I think my wife can look a lot more better in this, so I might give it to her. Anyways, the next item that I got obviously is the Thermafit hoodie. I love this hoodie. So I think this is my favorite hoodie now, just because of the fact that I got it in a medium. In terms of Nike ACG, I usually go for the large, but this one is the first time I went for medium. So happy. It looks great. It's got the whole iceberg graphic theme happening. Really cool. It's got the toggles at the front as well to kind of like decrease this space of the hoodie and all this kind of stuff. It looks great. Keeps you very warm as well. It's very thick. Very happy with this one. Anyway, let's get on to the main backpack now, shall we? Yeah, once again, this is the Nike ACG 36 backpack, 36 worth of adventure you can fit inside. And it's 46 liters all in all, which is what Nike is stating that you can fit inside. I don't know if that means just the main compartment or even the side pockets and all that kind of stuff, but 46 liters is a pretty big kind of capacity, and definitely made for kind of multi-day hikes. I'm not gonna lie, I don't do a lot of those multi-day hikes. I wish I could. Basically, I enjoyed the more like kind of scenery and the one days kind of thing. And so this one is probably gonna be made more for travel for me, where I could just stuff all my stuff in, and for camping around and stuff. I really am trying to get to that level where I can do multi-day hikes, but my cardio level is so crap right now. But getting this hopefully kind of motivates me to do more work to reach that level. Anyway guys, if you do want to see multi-day hikes and all that really cool stuff in terms of Nike ACG, I definitely ask that you please follow Mr. Tom Hoffman. I do have to kind of repeat his name again because in my last video for the clay greens, I basically called him Tom Shepherd. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. But definitely go follow him. He does a lot of great Nike ACG content, and this guy basically, he knows his stuff in terms of like going on multi-day hikes, details, whether they're good, which aspects are good in terms of the apparel and all that kind of stuff. So definitely go follow him. He's a great guy as well. He's doing a really good a hike for a good cause, for charity and all this kind of stuff with Joel. They're currently doing it, so that, you know, he does really good stuff as well. So I really highly advise you guys to please follow him and check out his stuff. And anyway, back to this review. Basically, you can see there that the main compartment is accessed from the top. It's a top loading one. It's got a strap for the main opening over there. And if you flip it to the side over here, you can see that there's a laptop sleeve right there, probably a 15-inch or a 13-inch laptop maybe, and right on top of that is this mesh. But there's like a mesh little sleeve at the front as well of that laptop sleeve. Lots of great pockets as well. So the inside of the top of this flap over here, the cover, there's a zip, so you can put your stuff in here. It's like a mesh kind of pocket, and when you flip it around on the top, there's another pocket for you to use. You can see as well lots of little aspects going on at the front. Basically, you can see there's a big mesh sleeve right here. It's got the same sized side pockets. You can see that these ones can actually extend, contracts as well. And if you want to access the inside of the actual backpack, there's another pocket here, right there. You can see this accesses the inside of the pocket, so you don't always just have to go from the inside here. You can also go from the side over here. And on this side, it gives you access to this pocket right underneath this sleeve over here. Definitely a lot of different storage places you can use. And also it's got that really iconic Nike ACG, these loopholes at the front as well, so you can attach with carabiners. And yeah, so all these really cool stuff, trekking poles over here as well. And when you're like looking at the front over here, it's got the really thick padding that's really nice on your back, because I'm assuming like when you're doing really long hikes and stuff with a really big load on your back, you really need as much support as possible. Really cool. It's got like a chest clip as well on the front of on these straps. They got like there's so many straps just on the front. So this one's for the tightening of the shoulder straps over here, and it's got this like really cool loop right there, and that like you can basically like put your thumb inside it, and then you can just kind of pull it down. Anyway, it comes with a lot of mini bags too. So the first mini bag that it comes with is this little phone pouch. So you got your bag there, and then you could put your phone inside. It's kind of, yeah, so it's got enough space to fit one phone inside. And yeah, so it's also got like a little sleeve that you can use as well at the front over here. Very, very cool. And you can basically just put it around your head and just kind of tighten it up, or you can just put it around your shoulder as well. So basically, if you're doing a little bit of a short you know, hike or whatever, that you don't want to bring the big bag, you can use this phone pouch. And what's cool about it as well is that it's got the carabiner. Oh man, I got told off for the wrong pronunciation of that carabiner if when you're in Australia kind of thing. But yeah, it's really cool. You attach this to the front so of the bag here, so you can attach it to one of the loop holes that you have at the front. It's just kind of there, so it's just kind of a pouch for you to use while you're using it. Another really cool item is that you get this really cool what is it? It's like a wet bag, or like your dirty clothes bags kind of stuff. So it's sort of like, yeah. So you unclip it. It's got that really stiff band around the top. And yeah, you basically put all the wet stuff in this one. So it's pretty big as well. I don't really know the capacity of it, but it can hold a lot of stuff, I think. And yeah, you just basically clip it up like this. and then you can put it inside the main compartment, or if you don't, you can just clip this to one of the loopholes on the outside so it doesn't take in more space in the main compartment. Very cool. It's green, feels nice. I really like this. So especially when you go out camping, you kind of want to separate all the really stuff that can't get wet or you don't want to get dirty with this item. Previous camping, I've had to just basically use like a grocery bag, plastic bag, to kind of separate my stuff. But now it's cool because I got one of these, so I'm really happy. And one of the really cool, probably best attachments is this one. This is basically the waistband around for your sternum, or what goes around your waist. It actually incorporates itself into the backpack. With this backpack, it's got a hole over here, right there. It's got this stiff board right here, and you put your kind of waist bag in there. So when you see it, yeah, so this part over here, just this main one, usually goes into the backpack, and these flaps, this flap here, and also this flap over here are on the side. So, and then you can strap this into like for your waist and your sternum. Really dope. I love this kind of aspect of it. You can basically just put it around your shoulder like this, and you got pockets for days, mate. And they got the really cool zips as well. Another really cool thing is that it's got this awesome water bottle kind of foldable thing. So you can kind of just get your drink and put it in there. And if it spills, you got this kind of whole thing at the bottom there, so that all the fluid can just kind of drain out. But it's awesome. Look at that. You just fold it in like this, fold it in like that, like this, and then you kind of cover it like that. Bang. And you wouldn't even know it's like a water bottle holder. And it's so padded, it's so thick. I love it because I know that you need as much support as you can. And yeah, definitely I love using this just personally, just when I'm just walking around, especially when I'm walking my dog and stuff, having this around, it's so cool. Yeah, all these really great features that comes with this awesome bag. And the last aspect I want to talk about this bag is the rain cover. It's got ACG there. This is one of the, another reason why I really like this bag, because I thought it just looked dope. There's no real place you put it. You have to just kind of find out a place that's like stuff it into the bag. You just use it to cover it. So when it gets rainy, like that, you just find a way to take it out, and basically you're covered. It kind of sucks that the actual backpack isn't water resistant. I would have loved it if it was, but you can't have everything, I guess. And it just looks really great. Anyways, that's like one of the really coolest features, I do believe. So that is it, guys. I hope you like that little Nike ACG 36 backpack review. I do really love it. I'm planning to use it a lot more in the future, especially in terms of travel and camping and all that kind of stuff. So I can't wait to actually use it and give it more of a kind of push it more towards limits. Basically, you get more bang for my buck kind of thing, because I don't want to just get it and then use it for something that I have the Nike ACG cast already for like day trips. So I kind of like that backpack already because it's got big compartments, main compartments that are zipped as well. So I don't know, I feel like I could use those more, especially for day trips. But this one I definitely want to use it for multiple day trips and in a row kind of thing. So hopefully I could get to do that in the future. But I really enjoyed doing this video, and basically I just wanted to hopefully get your guys' opinions on this one. Did you like it? Yeah, I think this backpack wasn't available for everyone, especially online. I know Nike ACG online didn't have it for everyone in the US, but it was available here apparently. And there's always kind of a lot of people wanted it from different countries, but it wasn't available to them. So it's kind of sucky, but I think that's all we really can do about it, and just be thankful for what we can get. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think about the actual review. If you liked it, please give me that big thumbs up. And if you like the Nike ACG content in general, please consider subscribing to the channel. All that good stuff helps me promote my videos via YouTube to get pushed on to other people that like Nike ACG stuff. Anyway, guys, thank you once again for watching this video. Thank you for all the love. Please continue to enjoy yourself with your family and all your loved ones. And I wish you all the best in the new year. Thank you once again for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.